Okay, one of the things you might consider doing is buying yourself just a small chest freezer, and then you can take the frames, any of the frames that have, like this one for instance, happen to have moths on it, wax moths, put it in this freezer, leave it in here for 24 to 48 hours, and just any of the frames, put them in here, anything that happens to be on them, you know, they'll freeze, and make sure that there's nothing where you couldn't just take it out, put it right back in the hive, and of course I got a couple of bags of ice in here just to make sure the freezer's working right. It's brand new, but lots of space. You could stack frames all in here and be able to quickly pull them out, put them right into a hive. So I strongly suggest that. So something you might try. You can get this thing at Costco is like $225, so definitely give that a try.